Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb lavo, which means to come. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for the verb to come is lavo. Lavo. To say I come or I'm coming as a male, say ani ba. Ani ba. To say I come or I'm coming as a female, say ani ba'a. Ani ba'a. To say I came as either a male or a female, say ani bati. Ani bati. To say I will come as either a male or a female, say ani avo. Ani avo. To say you come or you're coming when referring to singular male, say ata ba. Ata ba. To say you came when referring to singular male, say ata bata. Ata bata. To say you will come when referring to singular male, say ata tavo. Ata tavo. To say you come or you're coming when referring to singular female, say at ba'a. At ba'a. To say you came when referring to singular female, say at bat. At bat. To say you will come when referring to singular female, say at tavoi. At tavoi. To say he comes or he is coming, say hu ba. Hu ba. To say he came, say hu ba. Hu ba. In this case, the present and the past sound the same. To say he will come, say hu yavo. Hu yavo. To say she comes or she is coming, say he ba'a. He ba'a. To say she came, say he ba'a. He ba'a. To say she will come, say he tavo. He tavo. To say we come or we are coming as males, say אנחנו באים. אנחנו באים. To say we come or we are coming as females, say אנחנו באות. אנחנו באות. To say we came as either males or females, say אנחנו באנו. אנחנו באנו. To say we will come as either males or females, say אנחנו נבוא. אנחנו נבוא. To say you come or you're coming when referring to plural males, say אתם באים. אתם באים. To say you came when referring to plural males, say אתם באתם. אתם באתם. To say you will come when referring to plural males, say אתם תבואו. אתם תבואו. To say you come or you are coming when referring to plural females, say אתן באות. אתן באות. To say you came when referring to plural females, say אתן באתן. אתן באתן. To say you will come when referring to plural females, say אתן תבואו. אתן תבואו. There is another form which is אתן תבואנה, but we don't really use it in everyday life. To say they come or they are coming when referring to males, say הם באים. הם באים. To say they came when referring to males, say הם באו. הם באו. To say they will come when referring to males, say הם יבואו. הם יבואו. To say they come or they are coming when referring to females, say הן באות. הן באות. To say they came when referring to females, say הן באו. הן באו. To say they will come when referring to females, say הן יבואו. הן יבואו. Here as well, there is another form which is הן תבואנה, but we don't really use it in everyday life. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the verbs. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.